Good afternoon, children. Hope you all have a nice weekend. Today, let us revise the topic how to use a number line for subtracting integers. How to use number line for subtracting integers. Okay. As you already learned, integers, the negative numbers 0 and positive numbers together is known as integers. On a number line, 0 is on the middle and on the right side of the 0, positive integers, and on the left side of the 0, negative integers. Okay. So today we are going to learn how to subtract integers on a number line. Before that, I will show you one example for addition. Okay. In this question, we are adding 1 and 4. 1 and 4. So, our first step is locate 1, that is the first number, then move 4 steps to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our answer. So, 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. In the second question, 2 minus 4. Here we are subtracting two positive integers. 2 minus 4. Okay. So, when we are subtracting a positive number, you should move left. Move left. So, locate, our question is 2 minus 4. Locate 2 first. 2 first. Number line 2 in the position locate here. Then move 4 steps to the left side. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our answer. Negative 2. Let me explain once more. Here we are subtracting two positive integers. 2 minus 4. Locate the first number, that is 2. From 2, you should move 4 steps to the left side. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our answer. So, 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Okay. One way of using the number line for subtracting integers is to move in the opposite direction of adding integers. Children, one way of using the number line for subtracting integers is to move in the opposite direction of adding integers. നമ്മൾ ഇൻറ്റീജേഴ്സിൻ്റെ അഡിഷനിൽ എന്ത് സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടോ അതിൻ്റെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സ്റ്റെപ്പാണ് സബ്ട്രാക്ഷനിൽ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ് മീ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ. ടു ആഡ് എ പോസിറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റീജർ, മൂവ് ടു ദ റൈറ്റ് ഓൺ ദ നമ്പർ ലൈൻ. To add a positive integer, move to the right. To add a negative integer, move to the left. Okay. That is the opposite direction of right. To add a positive integer, positive integer neയാണ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതെങ്കിൽ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യണം. നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റീജർ ആണ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ. To subtract a positive integer, move to the left. When we are subtracting a positive integer, move to the left. To subtract a negative integer, move to the right. Okay. When we are subtracting a positive integer, നമ്മളൊരു പോസിറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റീജറിനെയാണ് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ മൂവ് ടു ദ ലെഫ്റ്റ്. ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യണം. വെൻ വി ആർ സബ്ട്രാക്ടിങ് എ നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റീജർ we should move to the right side. Okay, let me explain this. Our next question is 5 minus 2. 5 minus positive 2. As I told you, to subtract a positive integer, move to the left. Move to the left. So locate 5 first. This is the position of 5. Then move 2 steps to the left side. 1, 2. 2. So what is your answer? 3. Positive 3. Okay. Here we are subtracting two positive numbers, two positive integers. Locate the first number first, that is 5. Then move 2 steps to the left. 1, 2. So 3 is our answer. Okay. Our next number is 3 minus negative 6. 3 minus negative 6. Here we are subtracting a negative number or negative integer. As I told you, to subtract a negative integer, move to the right on the number line. To subtract a negative integer, move to the right on the number line. So locate the first number first, which is our first number 3. Locate that first. This is the position of 3. Now you should move 6 steps to the right side. From 3, move 6 steps to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 is our answer. Okay. So children, to subtract a positive integer, move to the left on the number line. To subtract a negative integer, move to the right on the number line. നമ്മൾ അഡീഷനിൽ എന്താണോ ചെയ്തത് അതിൻ്റെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ഡയറക്ഷനിലാണ് സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ് മീ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ഫ്യൂ എക്സാമ്പിൾസ് ചിൽഡ്രൻ. minus 2. Here 3 and 2 are positive integers. Positive integers. Okay. To subtract a positive integer, move left. Move left. So first locate 3 on the number line. This is 3. Okay. Now move 2 steps to the left. 1, 2. This is our answer. So 1 is our answer. Okay. Now next is 3 minus negative 2. 3 minus negative 2. Okay. 1 minute. 3 minus negative 2. Here we are subtracting a negative number or a negative integer. So you should move to the right side. Right side. So locate 3 first. This is 3. From here 2 steps to the right side. 1, 2. So which is our answer? 5. 5 is our answer. Okay. Here we are subtracting a negative number, negative integer. To subtract a negative number or negative integer, move right side. So first locate the first number, that is 3. 3. Locate. Okay. Locate means adinte position evideyaanennu kandupidikka. Okay. Now we are subtracting negative 2. Negative means you should move to the right side. We are subtracting a negative number. So you should move to the right side. 2 steps to the right side. So 1, 2. So 5 is our answer. Okay. Our next question is 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7. Okay. Children, here we are subtracting a positive integer. 4 and 7 are positive. 4 minus 7. Okay. So first you locate 4. This is 4. 4. Then move 7 steps to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay. So our answer is negative 3. Negative 3. 4 minus 7 means we are subtracting two positive integers. 4 minus 7. Here 4 and 7 are positive integers. So locate the first number, that is 4. From 4 you should move 7 steps to the left side. So negative 3 is our answer. Okay. Next, 4 minus negative 3. 4 minus negative 3. Locate the first number, that is 4. Then, since we are subtracting a negative integer, move to the right side. 3 steps to the right side. So, 1, 2, 3. Which is our answer? 7. Okay. 7 is our answer. Next, negative 4 minus 2. Negative 4 minus 2. Here we are subtracting a positive integer. Positive integer. 2 is a positive integer. Okay. First locate the first number, that is negative 4. Then move 2 steps to the left side, because we are subtracting a positive integer from negative 4. Okay. So 1, 2. So our answer is negative 6. Negative 6. Okay. We are moving to the left side. Left side. Here, since we are subtracting a negative integer, we are moving to the right side. These points are very, very important, children. Next is negative 4 minus negative 5. Negative 4 minus negative 5. Okay. As I told you, first locate the first number, that is negative 4. From negative 4, you should move 5 steps to the right side. Why we are moving to the right side? Since the second number is negative. Okay. A negative number is, we are subtracting a negative number from the first number. Okay. So move 5 steps to the right side. So from negative 4, 5 steps to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 1 is our, we are moving to the right side. 1 is the answer. Okay. Let me explain few examples again. Listen, children. Negative 1 minus 2. negative 1 minus 2. Here the second number is 2, which is a positive number. Positive number. So locate the first number, that is negative 1, and move 2 steps left. 1, 2. 1, 2. So our answer is, this is our answer, negative 3. Okay, negative 3. Negative 1 minus negative 2. Negative 1 minus negative 2. Here we are subtracting a negative number, negative integer. So start from the first number, that is negative 1, and move 2 steps to the right side. Okay, 2 steps to the right side. So our answer is 1. Negative 1 minus negative 2 is 1. Okay, so here the second number is positive. We are moving to the left side. Okay, here the second number is negative, that is we are subtracting a negative integer. We are moving to the right side. Okay. So children, today you learn about how to subtract integers using a number line. Listen this video carefully and do the given work without any mistakes. Hope you all understood this. Children, if you have any doubt about this topic, please send me a message. Thank you, children.